Simple English News. Breaking news in simple English.
This video brings today's world news in simple English. It is made for English beginners who want real news with simple English. You can learn English and understand the world at the same time. Today, we talk about a very important event in America. Former President Bill Clinton spoke to a group of government leaders. This group is called the House Oversight Committee. They met on Friday in a town called Chappaqua. This town is in the state of New York. This meeting was a very big deal for the country. It was the first time a former president had to do this. The leaders asked Bill Clinton many questions about a man named Jeffrey Epstein. Jeffrey Epstein was a criminal who did many very bad things. Bill Clinton spoke to the leaders for a long time. He said he did not know about the crimes of Epstein. He also said he did nothing wrong in the past. Bill Clinton gave a long statement to the leaders. He said he could not remember many things from the past. He told the leaders that these events happened a long time ago. During the meeting, Bill Clinton often said he did not recall. This means he does not remember the specific details. He said he saw nothing bad when he was with Epstein. He told the committee that he did not do anything wrong. The committee is led by a man named James Comer. James Comer is a Republican leader from the state of Kentucky. Many Republicans and Democrats were at the meeting on Friday. The leaders asked about photos of Bill Clinton and Jeffrey Epstein. They also showed photos of Clinton with a woman named Ghislaine Maxwell. Ghislaine Maxwell was a partner of Jeffrey Epstein for many years. She is now in prison for 20 years for her crimes. Bill Clinton said the photos do not show the whole story. He said he knows what he did and did not do. He said he never saw any crimes being committed. Bill Clinton also talked about his wife, Hillary Clinton. Hillary Clinton was the Secretary of State many years ago. She also had to talk to the committee on Thursday. Bill Clinton said he was very unhappy about this situation. He said it was not right to make his wife testify. He said Hillary Clinton did not know Jeffrey Epstein at all. He told the leaders that she never met the man. Bill Clinton said Hillary never traveled with Jeffrey Epstein in his plane. He also said she never visited any of his many houses. He told the leaders that his wife had no information. He thought it was wrong to bring her to the meeting. Hillary Clinton also said she did not know the criminal man. She told the committee that she never went to his island. She said most people did not know about his crimes. James Comer said the meeting on Friday was very productive. He said the former president answered all of the many questions. He said Bill Clinton was a very charming and friendly person. He said the former president has very good skills with people. The committee plans to show a video of the meeting soon. They want to release the video in the next 24 hours. They want the American people to see what was said. The committee wants to know why people stayed friends with Epstein. They are interested in what happened after his first conviction. A conviction is when a court says someone is guilty. They want to know why famous people still talked to him. James Comer said this is a very important part of the investigation. He told reporters that they have many more questions to ask. They want to talk to more people in the future. The leaders from the Democratic Party also spoke about the meeting. A man named Robert Garcia said Bill Clinton was very helpful. He said the former president was interested in answering every question. Both parties said the meeting went well and was very calm. This was a very historic moment for the government in Washington. It is not common for a former president to speak like this. Many years ago, people first learned about Bill Clinton and Epstein. This was in the year 2002, after the president left office. Reporters found out that Bill Clinton flew on Epstein's private jet. He went to several countries in Africa for a good mission. At that time, a spokesperson said Epstein was a successful man. They said he was a person who liked to help others. Later, Ghislaine Maxwell talked about these trips in a recorded interview. She said she was the real friend of Bill Clinton. She said she was the one who asked him to travel. She said she organized the trips on the private aircraft. She said Epstein was not the main friend of the president. Bill Clinton and his wife have always said they are innocent. No one has ever said they did anything bad with Epstein. At first, the Clintons did not want to come to the meeting. They were given a special legal paper called a subpoena. This paper says a person must come to talk to the leaders. The Clintons said they did not want to come in person. Their lawyer said they did not have useful information. He said they should be allowed to write their answers down. The committee was very angry about this choice for many weeks. The committee almost voted to punish the Clintons for not coming. This is called a vote of contempt in the American government. Some Democrats even agreed that the Clintons should come to speak. At the last minute, the Clintons changed their minds and agreed. They decided to talk to the committee in a private room. This stopped the committee from voting to punish them for staying away. Democrats on the committee want to ask about other people too. They want the committee to look at Donald Trump and Epstein. Donald Trump was also a president of the United States. He has said many times that he is not a criminal. He said he stopped being friends with Epstein a long time ago. Donald Trump spoke to reporters about Bill Clinton on Friday. He said he likes Bill Clinton as a person. He said he does not like to see people being questioned like this. In the past, Donald Trump asked the government to look at Clinton. But on Friday, he said he felt sorry for the former president. The leaders in the committee say they want to find the truth. They say the American people have many questions about this case. Bill Clinton wrote a message on the internet before the meeting. He said he did not like the private meeting behind closed doors. He called the meeting a game played by the Republican Party. He said he wanted to have a public hearing instead. In a public hearing, everyone can watch the meeting on television. He said the American people should see the truth for themselves. He said he would not stay quiet about this situation. The investigation into Jeffrey Epstein is still going on today. The committee will look at more papers and talk to more people. They want to know if the government did a good job. They are looking at how the police and the courts worked. This story is very important for the history of the United States. It involves many famous people and many important leaders of the country. Thanks for watching today's Easy English News. Please subscribe to get the latest updates every day. See you in the next video.